Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my heart cakesicles. I start by chopping up my white chocolate. You can use any chocolate that you want. I just use white chocolate because I'm going to be adding some food colouring. I then melted my white chocolate and I put it into the microwave. Did 10 seconds first. Brought it out, mixed it together as you can see. Then I did 20 seconds, then I did 10 seconds, and that was the perfect consistency. I then added my food colouring. You don't need a lot, I only used 1 drop. I got a really nice shade of pink that I liked. You can add more food colouring or less depending on what kind of shade you're kind of going for. But I like this shade, so I'm going to stick with it. Then I added the chocolates into the moulds. And you want to make sure that you add enough chocolate and make sure that you are spreading it evenly to prevent crackings, because that's what your girl did not do. So I'm just removing any excess chocolate that I've got left in the moulds. I'm just using my offset spatula and just scraping down. After this, I put the moulds into the freezer for about 5 minutes and then I brought it out again. And as you can see, the chocolate has set really nicely. So now I'm just filling out each heart-shaped mould with some cake. With the cake, you want to ensure that you put enough at the bottom as well. As you can see, I'm really pressing it down. I'm making sure that I have cake at the bottom and at the sides as well, and then add more cake till I've reached the top. What I've done incorrectly here was that I didn't add enough cake inside the mold, so at the end of it you will see some of it has cracked a little bit. So I suggest making sure that your cake does reach the top all the way and then scraping off any excess cake left. So now I'm just adding the leftover chocolate over the cake and spreading it out as evenly as possible. And then I place it back into the freezer for about 10 minutes and then I bring it out, and this is the result. So as you can see, some of it has cracked, and that's because I didn't add enough chocolate initially before I put in my cake. So hope you guys have learned my mistakes and I hope you guys enjoy the video. My cakesicles did come out really nicely and they tasted really yummy. So thank you guys for watching this video. I have more baking videos coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye.